I forgot to record. So grade 5, we are done. Page 45, changes in states of water. So for example, we have melting. The melting is from the solid to liquid. So if we will draw here, if you want me to draw, it's like the ice here. No, the ice cube, the ice cube, the ice cube here. This one is an ice cube. This is my best drawing ever. No, this is the ice cube. Turns into
Water.
will become a water. So that one. So from solid to liquid. So how about the second one? The second one is, what's the second one? Boiling. What is boiling? From
the water to the gas.
Liquid, not only water. Liquid to gas. So we use what here? We use what? We use how to boil a water. We use fire. So here I will draw here from gas, from the liquid to gas. So fire, color red, fire, and then the water here will boil, go up, go up, go up. So this one here is from liquid to gas, liquid to gas. So that is very easy, no? So here, next one is evaporation. Okay, evaporation. As I have said, evaporation is the same with boiling, but what? But all the time. Okay, all the time, na? So I hope you can still remember that one. How about freezing? Freezing is from
Liquid to gas. Liquid to solid.
Liquid to solid. It's the opposite of water to
liquid.
okay, water or liquid to the ice. The ice or namkeng. Namkeng, no? Namkeng, like that. I don't know how to draw. Namkeng. Okay, no? So that one. Next one is condensation. Condensation is from gas to liquid. From gas to liquid. Okay? Condensation. From gas to liquid. So here, if we will boil something, boil tom. Boil something and we will put it here. We will trap the gas. So the gas over there goes there. And then the liquid goes over here. Okay, now we'll drop here. Like that, we'll drop over here. That is what we call condensation. Gas to liquid, freezing, liquid to solid, evaporation, liquid to gas, boiling, liquid to gas, then melting, solid to liquid. So we are already that one. We already finished with that one, and that's very, very easy, no? Very easy. Now let's proceed to page 47. 47. What is page 47? Can you read? For classifying things. What is things? What do you mean by things?
It's like an object.
Object. Okay, classifying things. I will write it here. Classifying things or classifying objects, no? สิ่งของใช่ไหมสิ่งของใช่ไหมครับ
Yes.
สิ่งของ no? Okay, so classifying things, chapter 4, I think. Okay, that one. Now, we are surrounded by a variety of things. These things have characteristics that allow us to learn with them. Page 41, ways of classifying things. How can we classify? Classify แปลว่าอะไร? Classify. What is classify?
It's like when we always have a rubber or the plastic, we will classify to the plastic and the rubber.
Okay,
It's
no,
like a-
it's like let's ask Google. Google, help us. What is Google? Help us. What do you mean by classify or to classify in Thai? English to Thai. Classify. Classify แปลว่า I don't know how to read this one, but I will try to write.
จำแนก
Huh?
จำแนก
Whoop.
ขัด
Whoop.
ประเภทแยกประเภท It's like that อะไร
Whoop.
อะจำแนก
Whoop.
จำ
จำแนก จำแนก
Whoop. That one. What's that? Huh?
That's a beautiful I think it's
Can you read this one?
จำแนก
Okay, you write. You write.
Okay.
You write this one. Classify. This one. You write this one. Classifying things. Okay.
It
So
won't
that-
in a notebook.
Yeah. Anywhere. You can write in your book too. You can write in your book too.
Okay.
finish now
Okay. Good. Now here, how can we identify? How can we classify things? We classify things into different groups to help us in our study of things. Classifying things makes it easier for us to look for similarities and or differences. Things are classified based on their properties and characteristics. For example, we can classify things into, for example, things here. Things, we can classify things into two. Number one, living things and non-living. Living things แปลว่าอะไร
มีชีวิต
มีชีวิต non-living
Non-living thing it ไม่มีชีวิต
ไม่มีชีวิต How about ปัวเป็ดมีชีวิตไหมไม่มีชีวิต
อ้าว
มีไหม
ชีวิตก็มันไม่มีชีวิต
มีไหม
Yeah
ปัวเป็ด
living
มีชีวิตไหมปัวเป็ด
มี ไม่มีชีวิต
ไม่มีเนาะโอเค Okay, things we can classify things and not things to living and non-living things. Tanapon, give me an example of living things.
ข้าว
Cow. Maika, give me an example of non-living things.
non
Non-living things.
table
Table. Is that a question?
I'm
Is
not
it-
sure
Is that a question? Non-living things? You don't know non-living things?
I do
Oh, yes. So is that a question? Table?
so it's like table
Yeah, that's correct. Table. No, do not ask yourself. Table? Okay. Okay, Lamon, give me an example of living things.
the cat
The cat. Cat. Puwapet, give me example of non-living things.
pen
And Tirapat, living things.
ศูนย์การค้าเปิดให้บริการได้ตามปกติเช่นธนาคารธุรกิจสื่อสาร
เงียบ
เครื่องใช้ไฟฟ้า
Tirapat Mayu.
buffalo
Living. Non. Again?
buffalo
Buffalo. Okay. Tanawat, non-living things, please.
a book
Book. Very good. Pum Tanapat. Give me a living things, please. Only one living thing.
living thing เหรอ teacher
ใช่
living thing หนูขอหาแป๊บหนึ่งคิดก่อน
เอ้า living thing มีชีวิตไงมีชีวิต
มีชีวิต and
มีชีวิตรวมพวกสัตว์ด้วยไหมอ่ะ
ได้
เอา
ได้
สิ
ทุกอย่างที่มีชีวิต
ทุกอ
อะ
ย่างที่มีชีวิตอะทุกอย่างที่มีชีวิตก็ต้องเป็นเบิร์ดสิ
bird or bird
คิดอะไรไม่ค่อยออก
Arya non living thing please
แค่
Chair Amonrat living things please
dog
a dog Natikan non living things please Natikan non living thing please Natikan are you there Natikan
yes
Okay, non-living things, please. Non-living. Mayมีชีวิต please. Oh. No more? Non-living things. Non-living things na.
สิ่งที่ไม่มีชีวิต
shirt
Shirt. Okay. Ratapum. Living things, ratapum.
ruler
Living things, ruler. Mayชีวิต ruler.
elephant
Elephant. Okay. Patipan. Non-living things, patipan.
เอ่อ
bicycle
Bicycle. Laksika. Laksika. Living things, laksika. มีชีวิต
rat
Rat. Pakawan. Non-living things, pakawan. Paper. Waranya. Living things, waranya.
fish
Fish. Jaruan. Non-living things, please.
dog
Non-living. Mayมีชีวิต look. Mayมีชีวิต Doll. D-O-L-L. Hello?
yes
Okay, doll. Okay, very good. Thank you. We have more here. Warakan punapa. Wait for a while na. Patarapon. Living
Yes.
things, please. Living things.
3
3. Okay, I will stop na. I will stop calling you. So everybody knows what is living things and non-living things, right? So we can identify, we can classify things by living things and non-living things. And this was your lesson when you were grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, I think. Okay, here, so let's level up. Non-living things can be further classified into smaller groups based on their properties, such as state of matter. So living things, non-living things here, this one here, we can classify this one as state of the matter. Now, state of the matter are, what's that state of the matter?
plastic
Solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, that is the matter. Liquid or gas. Okay, next number is, we can classify them into electrical conductivity. So I want you to write this one. I want you to write this one. Non-living things, living things. But this one is just non-living thing, non-living things.
write this one
Yes, please. Because this one is, we will level up because you already know the living things
1
and
to
non-living
100.
things. Living things and non-living things. So number 1 here is, we can classify the state of matter. Okay, I will explain that one. Non-living things, over here, we can classify them. You put line, red line, can classify state of matter. Number 2 is electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity. Number 3, heat conductivity. Number 4, transparency. Who can remember the transparent, translucent, and opaque? Strength.
The transparent can the light can pass.
Yes, very good, Lamon. Thank you. The transparent means the light can pass through magnetic properties. Oh, we have a lot na. Magnetic properties, flexibility. Do not pass this one in our group na, but soon I will ask you soon to pass this one. Buoyancy and texture. So we can classify the non-living things to state of matter, electrical conductivity, heat conductivity, transparency, strength, hardness, magnetic properties, flexibility, buoyancy, and texture. So that one, no, that one. I will ask you to copy that one because we will study everything. No, we will study everything from the state of matter up to texture. Because
Teacher, one all.
huh?
Yes, there is one and only thing, right? All.
Write everything. Write everything here that you see. Living things and non-living things. You cannot see. I will make the living things and non-living things properly, na? Okay. Things. This one is non-living things, na? One is living. Michiwit. Okay, we can classify. What is classify? Classify pewalay na?
Jamnek.
Oh, jamnek.
Finish.
Okay, finish na. Wait na. Okay. You wait first. Patarapon. Do not pass this one, ha? May tong song ani na.
Ahi.
Finish, everyone?
No.
Okay. So we will talk about state
Yes.
of the matter, no? State of the matter, electrical conductivity, heat conductivity, transparency, strength, hardness, magnetic properties, flexibility, buoyancy, and texture. Okay, number one, state of the matter. So we already know what is state of the matter, right? Everybody knows what is state of the matter. What is this? State of the matter. Things can be classified by their state, namely solid, liquid, or gas. Matter is the state of the matter is liquid, solid, and gas or gas. The three. Okay, three here. Now, I will write it properly. Solid, liquid, and gas. Now, 1, 2, 3. Things can be classified by these three. Can you group the following items into different groups based on their state? Okay, look at page 48. Page 48. Page 48. The things below. The first one is a toy car, right? Toy car. Are you following me? Are you following me?
Yes.
Okay. How many things that we have there?
It's about 1, 2.
Non-limiting and limiting.
ไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่ below the state of the matter. Look at this one, color green. State of the matter. This one.
11.
Page 48, not 11. This one, this one. State of matter. Page 48, below. The last one.
Two.
Two?
I have two.
Two
Yes.
or how many drawings do we have? How many drawings?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four. No, four. We have four. Number one, the toy car, right?
Yeah.
Am I right, everyone? Toy car.
Yeah.
Next one is, what's that? A clay? A toy? Toy again?
Toy.
Next is water.
Toy.
Water or soda. And then ice.
Ice.
Okay. Now, can you group the following items into different groups based on the state? Toy car. What is this? Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
Solid. We put solid here na. Solid. Toy.
Solid.
Solid again. Water.
Solid.
Liquid.
Liquid. Very good. Ice.
Ice. Solid.
Solid. Okay, we have solid and liquid here. So we can classify them. Everybody, we can classify them through or by the state of matter, by liquid, solid, or gas. For example, let's put an example here. Okay. Now we have, let's say solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, na solid, liquid, gas. Okay, I will tell you the object, and then tell me if that is solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? Now, the object is, number one, the object is non-living things na, non-living things. Non-living things. Computer.
Solid.
Solid. So put here computer, solid. So we can classify them. Cup.
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 Solid.
Solid. What is cup?
Cup. Keo. Keo sila.
Keo. Very good, Keo. How about Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola.
Liquid.
Liquid. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Kumba.
Cotton.
Solid.
Solid here. Cotton. This one. Erase. Fart.
Gas. Fast.
What is
Fart.
Fart pa walay.
Otot.
Tot. Okay. That one na. Okay, next. How about t-shirt?
T-shirt. Solid.
Okay. So we can identify everybody now. Everybody knows. Everybody understand already this one. So we can classify them into solid, liquid, or gas. We can classify non-living things to state of the matter. State of the matter, this one. Number two, what happened? Number two, electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity, pewalay, page 49. Electrical conductivity is the property that describes whether or not an object is able to conduct electricity. Things that can conduct electricity are known as electrical conductors, whereas those are that are unable to conduct electricity are known electrical insulator. Now, listen to me. Electrical conductivity, it means the things that the electricity That the electricity can flow. I will erase con. I will type na. Okay. Electrical conductivity, it means the things okay na, put it here na, the things that allows the electricity to flow. Okay, to flow. Okay, this one na, the things or the non-living things that allow the electricity to flow. This one here. Sorry, erase. This one. Okay. Things that allows the electricity to flow. What do you mean by electricity? Electricity แปลว่าอะไร
ไม่ใช่กะ
ไม่ใช่ไฟฟ้า
ไฟฟ้า no? ไฟฟ้า meaning the electricity. What is electricity? ไฟฟ้า no? Electricity.
ไฟฟ้า
Electricity. The electricity can flow. So from here, for example,
ไม่ถูก
electricity will flow, then short. Okay? Electricity, like the things that are this one is called what we call electrical conductor, conductor. For example, the example are metals, who is that? Example, metals. What else?
metal is like
Metals. Who is noisy?
plastic.
Natikan. Metals. Electrical conductor, right? Copper. When you open this one, when you open the wire, this one, you can see the color. You can see the color red. That one. That is copper. Or gold. No? That is what we call electrical conductor. Meaning the electricity can flow. For example, this one, the pen. For example, I will show here now. For example, this is Narungrit. Narungrit is a boy. So Narungrit, I will put the hair of Narungrit like that. Okay? Narungrit is a big boy. Okay na? Big boy. Now Narungrit is holding a fork. What is a fork? When you eat, we have spoon and fork. That one. Then Narungrit is confused. Narungrit is just a baby, or let's say 2 years old. Now Narungrit see this one at home, that you put the fire, the electricity. Na? You put the electricity ngay. You see that one? Not this one. Like you put this one, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, like that. Now Narungrit is confused. He said, Ani alaya. Then Narungrit used the fork to put here. What happened to Narungrit? Five short. Okay now? Because the electricity is flowing, going to the body of Narungrit. Because this one here, the fork here is what we call conductor, no? Or metal or conductor. Understand? Metal or conductor. all the metals, Lamon, all the metals are conductors. It means all the metal, the electricity can flow. So you will become narungrit, or you will like that, no? If you hold the metal with the electricity. Okay, now next, how about if that is a plastic? Plastic.
Plastic.
Tay Mai?
No.
Yes, because plastics are insulators. Plastics are insulators. Insulator pa alay. Insulators are the things that does not allow the electricity to flow. Electricity to flow, no? Electricity to flow. Meaning, if this is narungrit again here and holding a plastic, do not try this one at home, na? Do not try this one at home. For example, okay na? Like this. A plastic. Plastic. What is plastic?
Plastic.
Example, the book. Let's say the book. The book, no? A book. I may say book. Plastic ma.
Tidak plastic.
Plastic. For example, plastic here. The narungrit, put it here. What will happen? May mi alay. Yes, because the electricity cannot flow. Because plastics are insulators, no? Insulator. This one here, insulators. Meaning the electricity cannot flow. Flow may die. But you listen to this one. There is what we call but. But if the plastic is what? Is wet. Piyak. Lawang de. Yes, because water is a conductor. No? Conductor meaning the electricity can flow. Yes. So do not do that. Do not do this one at home. No, for example, you are playing the plastic and you don't know. The plastic is wet. Piyak nam. Then you put in the fire. This one here, you put it here. And then what will happen to you?
Die.
May siya die. Go to the temple ngay. Yeah, so please do not do this one at home. And non-living things can classify into two. Okay? Non-living things can classify into electrical conductivity, right? Electrical conductivity or conductor and insulator, right? So we can classify them. Ani conductor, ani insulator. This one is the thing that the electricity can flow like that. So that is what we call the second one. What is the second one? The second is electrical conductivity. Here. Go back here. Go back up here. No, go back up here. Okay, here. This one. No? This one. Electrical conductivity. Okay, that one na? Kaujay lang na? Kaujay no? State of the matter, kaujay lao. Chamay? Everyone, I want to know. State of the matter, kaujay lao chamay? Tawalay. Liquid, solid, and gas. Electrical conductivity, kaujay may?
Yes.
What's that?
Tidak.
Yes. The activity and the
Insulator and conductor, no? The electricity can flow or cannot flow. So identify that one. Ani, for example, this one. Pencil.
Pencil. Yes.
Okay, I will write here na. I will write, where is my pen? Conductor, insulator. Tell me if that is conductor or insulator. Pencil.
Insulator.
Insulator, very good. The electricity cannot flow. Ruler.
Conductor.
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 Phone.
Conductor.
Really?
Yes.
Electric.
I have electricity. How about the casing?
Insulator.
Insulator, no? The electricity cannot flow.
Plastic.
How about this one?
What?
Conductor.
For conductor.
Phone.
Conductor. What else? This one.
Insulator.
Okay, insulator. Very good very good. Narungrit and Lamon, no? Narungrit and Lamon are answering me. I can remember you all the time. Okay, so we already know the state of the matter, heat and electrical conductivity. Now, next one. I think it's the same, almost the same with this one. Heat, conductivity, and conductivity. Meaning, there are things that there are things that the heat, the hotness, the heat energy will flow. So for example, lamon is baking, no? Baking kanumpang, no? Baking kanumpang or baking cupcakes. Now, inside the oven is very hot, right?
Yes.
When you want to remove that one, are you going to use your hand?
No.
So what are you going to do? You put something, right?
Yes.
You put mittens.
Mittens.
Mittens. That is mittens, no? You put
Too much
mittens and yes, and then you get that one so that you will not feel the heat, right? So that is not heat conductivity. We use that one so that we will not feel the heat. So heat conductivity, it means the objects that the heat energy can flow, such as metal, no? Like metal. That's why we are using mittens, because this one here, no, usually like this, the tray. This is the muffin here, the cupcakes. For example, the cupcakes of lemon here. Now, inside the oven, this one, the square one, the rectangle one, the rectangle one is very hot, right? Because this one is a metal, no? So meaning the metal is a heat conductivity. That's why we use mittens. We use mittens to hold that one so that the heat will not go to our hands. Understand? So this is in page 49. Look at page 49. Heat conductivity. Heat conductivity is the property that measures how well an object conducts heat. Some materials conduct heat very quickly. These materials are described as good conductors of heat. Materials that conduct heat poorly are described as insulator of heat. So example, look at that one. What is the example in the book? This one. This one, usually the holder, this one, the color block here that I draw is a plastic. Why?
Like rubber?
So that a rubber or a plastic, but usually it's a plastic, no? A plastic because plastic is a very poor heat conductor. So meaning it will become heat. It will become hot นิดหน่อย only นิดหน่อย but this one, the steel here, this one is very hot already, very very hot เคยไหม
Okay.
Who is very noisy? Okay, so that is the lesson. So tomorrow we will talk maybe transparency, strength, hardness, or everything if we still have time. So today we had state of the matter, electrical conductivity, and heat conductivity. Okay, all of these are non-living things. So we can classify them. We can classify them to state of the matter, solid, liquid, gas. Number 2, electrical conductivity, and then heat conductivity. So that is the lesson for today. Do you have any questions? If you don't have a question, I will ask you. Do you have any questions?
May I go to the toilet, please?
Is that a question? Huh? Yes, you can. You can. Oh, what a good question. May I go to the toilet, please? Question, please, about the lesson. No? Okay, if you don't have questions, so let's see each other again tomorrow. Tomorrow you have class with me, period 3 and period 5. Period 3 and period 5, math and science. เข้าใจไหมลูก
เข้าใจแล้วลูก
Tirapat, why are you here, Tirapat? To study, to play? And what happened to the line group? Why you left, and left? Because you did not pass any work. You don't have work, Tirapat. Maybe tomorrow I will tell Teacher Nui, you may song alay loy. I will send my tally, my Excel. I'm checking the work, Tirapat. Na? Naเป็นไร Tirapat? ปีหน้า ปีนี้หรือปีหน้าเจอกันเนาะเจอกันที่โรงเรียนนะที่โรงเรียนเจอกันที่โรงเรียนตอนนี้สบายๆเลยไม่เป็นไรลูกสบายดีกว่าเนาะสบายมากไม่ส่งอะไรเลยปากินนรงฤทธิ์ส่งเลยนัตติกัน no they pass the work they pass ส่งกันบ้านเลยดีมากปุมธนาปัตย์ดีมากธีรพัฒน์เหรออะเก่งไหมไม่ส่งอะไรเลย even one นะ even one ไม่มี one เลย nothing เลยไม่มีอะไรเลยดีมากเลยลูก นะ okay, so see you again tomorrow. If you are here just to make a problem, give me headache. Puppet is giving me headache, but Puppet is passing the work, but not all. Not all na, may na. Okay, I will tell you. เจอกันที่โรงเรียนเลยโควิดกำลังหายแล้วเจอกันที่โรงเรียน Okay, see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.